Europe has so many beautiful places you can travel to, but if there's one thing I've learned after multiple trips is that packing smart can break or make your experience. That's why today I'm going to share with you 10 essentials you must bring when traveling to Europe, especially if it's your first time. Whether it's a weekend trip or a month-long trip, you will need to pack these essentials. Okay, let's get into the first one. Essential number one is a universal travel adapter. If you're anything like me, you probably have no idea that different countries often use different plug types. For example, Italy, France, and Spain use a different plug type, which is a type C, while in the UK and Ireland they use a type G. And why is this important? Because without the right adapter, you won't be able to charge your electronics or any devices. The best thing to do is just to purchase a universal travel adapter instead of carrying multiple adapters for different countries. Essential number two is a portable charger. Trust me when I say that your phone battery will not last you all day. European cities are best explored by foot, which means that you will be using your phone a lot, whether that's for maps, for photos, or transportation apps. A slim, high-capacity portable charger will be a lifesaver, especially on those sightseeing days. The third essential is comfortable walking shoes. This is one of the main things so many people underestimate when going to Europe for the very first time. Whether you're going to Rome, Paris, or Spain, you will be doing a lot of walking. Take at least one really good pair of walking shoes. If you find one good pair that's not only supportive but stylish enough to blend in, even better. Essential number four is a crossbody bag. This is the item that you should never travel to Europe without. It might sound a little bit exaggerated, but pickpocketing in Europe is a real issue, especially in very crowded areas like the metro station or tourist spots. A crossbody bag is much harder for someone to snatch compared to a backpack or a shoulder bag. It needs to be big enough to fit all your valuables. Item number five is a reusable water bottle. With all the walking that you'll be doing in Europe, you need to stay hydrated. Not only will it save you money instead of buying multiple water bottles, but it's also more eco-friendly in case that's something that you care about. I recommend taking a water bottle that's lightweight and durable. You don't want it to be so heavy that it weights down your bag. Get something that's leak-proof so you don't have to worry about spills on your electronics, and something that's slim and easy to clean. Essential number six is a small first aid and medicine kit. One thing I learned the hard way is that any small health issue that you have can ruin your trip. Pack a small first aid kit with all your meds in case something happens. Trying to find a pain reliever in Europe can be a hurdle and something that can be easily fixed if you take your own. Packing things like band-aids, pain relievers, basic allergy medications, or any personal prescription meds you will need during your trip. Essential number seven is copy of important documents. Always carry a copy of any important documents like your passport or ID, travel insurance, or your itinerary. This is just in case, God forbid, but in case the originals get lost. A tip is to have a digital copy on your phone too, because in some major attractions they require you to show an ID or a passport, and it's much easier and safer to just show a photo instead of taking the originals. Essential number eight is snacks from home. It might sound simple, but it can make a huge difference, especially if you're traveling with small kids. This will help you be prepared for long days, picky eaters, or small kids, and it's also good for comfort and convenience. Of course, you can try all the food that you can, but having go-to snacks in your bag can give you flexibility and peace of mind. Essential number nine is noise-canceling headphones. Noise-canceling headphones can be a lifesaver during long flights. The plane can get really loud, especially if there are small children. Having these headphones will help you actually rest during your flight. Essential number 10 is a mini travel steamer or a wrinkle release spray. Some Airbnbs or hotels do not have an iron in Europe, and you need to be prepared for it. A compact steamer or spray will help your clothes look fresh without the need of an iron. I hope this video helps you get better prepared for your upcoming trip to Europe, and if you're still in the planning stage, make sure to check out my last video about 10 things I wish I knew before visiting Europe for the very first time. These tips will give you a better idea of what to expect on your trip, and will also help you be prepared to make the most out of it. I'm gonna leave it on the screen so you can watch it next.